Hey y'all, I thought I would do a video on a project that I've done recently on the bobber, and some people may have already seen some comments about this, but I did these brass bar end caps to replace the stock bar end caps, and I absolutely love these. Really happy with how this turned out. There's that one, and then of course one on the other side that looks just like it. Maybe the light's a little better to see this one. So I am thrilled with how these turned out. Just love the look. And you can see from a distance further away, it really pops on the bike. I'm pretty happy with that. So in order to make these, I used my hobby mini lathe here. And for people who are asking me so far to make them for you, it's not something I've ruled out. This setup here, I need to do some work to my lathe. It's having some issues before I can get to a point that I can make them for other people. What I have done in the meantime, and hopefully it works out a little better, is I actually have I've sent off my design file for this to a place that can do these more rapidly. So it's sort of a house to build these. Whoops, sorry about that on the camera. Try to get in better so I can get a better shot of it. And that design I've actually made a few tweaks to where I think it would look even better than these. So I'm hoping that they'll come back with a reasonable quote where I can buy a batch of them and just turn around and sell them in batches, because these, at least on the Triumph Bobber forum when I posted these, they were way more, they had way better response than I thought they were going to get, to be honest with you. And I really love how they look with the brass touches on the bike. I have the stock brass bit here. You have here, the pipes have this sort of gold tint to them, which honestly doesn't show up great in this light. And then I did, for my tag, I did some brass nuts to hold those on. So that's pretty happy with that. I'm going to do a few other little brass touches on the bike. I don't want to go crazy. I don't want it to look like overly brassed out, but pretty happy with that so far. So anyway, I will post again about that if I wind up having any of those available for anyone. Anyway, y'all have a good one.